What is up, YouTube family? So this is Steve, and this is the Steve.World channel. So today, our adventure is to replace the seat with a pretty cool seat I found searching for stuff on eBay. So here is the old seat. That's what it looks like. The original Honda CB400 seat, well worn, as you can see. So we're going to replace that with what is in this box. So let's see what's in there. It's like Christmas, but it's really not yet. Wow, that is really freaking cool. Really cool. So check this out. So that, I don't know if you can read it. You can read that. Green Cycle, 40 Jefferson Avenue, Oak Ridge, Tennessee. This is a hang-to accessory. See that? Hang-to accessory from the 70s, which is awesome. So let's get this thing out of here, and then we'll open the original packaging after I get it out of the styrofoam and all that. All right. Wow. That is freaking sweet. Look at that. Tell me that's freaking cool. That is so cool. That's a good description of our marriage. Well, it puts the pride in the ride. All right. When was this? August 1st of 1978. I'll put the link in the description to where I got this, because that seller on eBay has a lot of cool new old stock stuff. But this is the original box from 78. Here, I'm gonna set this down. This is so cool. This is so freaking cool. Wow. Whoa, whoa. And you're probably like, why would you buy this seat? There it is. Awesome. Why would you buy this seat, Steve, for your motorcycle? Especially when it's new old stock. That is leather with a stamp. Quilting. What? All my stuff's gonna bolt right to that from the old seat. That is pretty sweet. Look at that, man. That is really freaking sweet. Look at the stitching on that. It's hard to find stuff made like that nowadays. So I actually tried to find information on this seat, this company, Hang-To, like from the 70s, but I couldn't find anything. Not on YouTube, not on the internet, not the Googles. So if you know anything about this seat or this company or whatever, if you're like a vintage Honda guy and you just know the stuff, like, please comment below and tell me where the heck this thing came from, because I would really like to know, because it's super cool, especially since I'm a 70s kid, so that's awesome. So I'm gonna get the old seat and take that stuff off, take the old brackets off and all that stuff and put on the new seat, and then we'll install it on the bike, and then we'll see how it looks and see how it feels in the old butt dyno. Alright, so all of the stuff that's on there I'm gonna take off right now. It's all 10mm. So you have the brackets, you have the screws, you have these little rubber stoppers, which I took one out already. I was real careful. This doohickey, and then the thing on the front, and then the original manual cover, which is kind of ripped, but hey, look at that. Original owner's manual from 1978. Yes, that's amazing. Look at that. And yes, I have read it. And yes, it's really cool. Look at that. The original owner put that stuff on there. And yeah, super cool. All right, so I'm going to get to it. I may try to find another one of these just because they're cool, you know, to have the original manual under there. Because I know if I glue this, it's not gonna stay. So I don't know. Maybe I won't put that on there right now. I'll just keep it for like later or whatever. But I'm gonna get that other stuff. I should probably clean that up a little bit. I'll just wipe it off. So if you don't use black microfiber towels, then you're missing out, because, you know, stuff that's dirty or rusty, or I actually use them like on my, when I clean my wheels on my cars, because they're black and brake dust is black, and you don't want to use some sort of light colored microfiber towel, but you also don't want to use a towel and scratch up your wheels or whatever, you know. So that's what I use for all my dirty stuff, is black microfiber towels. I'm probably going to take this off and like paint it later, but for now it's just going to go on there because I really want to sit on this seat and see what it feels like. Oh yeah, one more thing. Take this off here. Let's hope this pops out. Yes! Yes! So there's a grommet that actually goes in here for the cover, which I'm not going to put the cover back on there right now because it's broken. So, but I am, however, going to put these screws back in here so that I don't lose them. And you're probably asking me, like, Steve, why are you using this new old stock, you know, piece of time machine history? Well, you know what? Because I want my bike to be classy, all right? And this is the classiest seat that I found that's period correct, that's freaking awesome, and that's why. So there you go. If you're wondering, that's why. All right, so here's one, and here's two, and each one of these has two 10mm nuts that go on there. And these, I'm just gonna put a little soapy soap on them, and hopefully they just pop down in there. Boom. And that's two. Flip this around. So if you didn't know, the stock seat on all these is all like stapled, and this is all riveted, which is pretty cool because, I mean, I guess if I wanted to replicate the seat fabric, which it's pleather, so that's cool. But If I wanted to replicate that, I probably could. Boom, that's it. All right, so let's put it on the bike. What? Guys, I'm stoked. This is crazy. Look at that. That's freaking awesome. That's so awesome. I'm pretty sure that's the best thing that I've seen all week. In my garage, anyway. So guys, I just sat on it. My butt's really, really happy. Really happy. So I'll put the link to the Homie's eBay page down at the bottom of the description, along with the data from the company that's on the sticker. And till next time, think about subscribing if you're not a subscriber. And hope you like this. And yeah, awesome. I can't wait to enjoy that seat.